why I kept silent. This Om Shanti 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 has to do with the subtle body. It has nothing to do with the physical. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. And again. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your awareness on the right hand, your awareness on the left hand. Pay attention. Become aware who lifts your hand. Is it the work of the subtle body or the physical? Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside. Know your experiences. How are you, David and Jerry?
Very good. It was very, very fast. My habitual mind in the past on the nyasa is wanting to go the other direction on the breathing in my limbs. And this time I said to myself, just ignore that and let it go. And it just went away. All that desire went away, and it was just a deep practice.
Yes. Yes, you recognize why the mind is unnecessarily running where it should not. And that separates the contents from the mind itself. And that leads to the deeper state. We need not to make any effort. That's a wonderful way. And how are you, Jerry?
Sir, I'm good. Yeah, the mind seemed empty until about 3/4 of the way through. And then it started kind of wanting to assess what was going on. So I just kind of ignored it, but it was very quiet for a long while.
Very quiet. That's beautiful. Quietness was. You see that now, even during the day, after a couple of sessions, the time will come, you can recognize the like and dislike before it converts into a thought. Those impulses, whether you see impulse or feeling, whatever you want to say, you instantly recognize that deeper inside. Oh, that is it. And the very recognition removes it. How are you, Stephen?
Good. It was a very quick meditation. I was absorbed within myself, and there was no thoughts, and a lot of the time that the mind came in was the battle between basically, I don't know, maybe my mind telling me it's time to bring your hands up to your eyes, and the rest of me wanted to just stay where I was. So it was great. Thank you.
Great, beautiful. How are you, Barbara?
I'm very good, thank you. It was a very deep meditation for me. Towards the end of it, I was developing a really strong tickle in my throat, but it didn't change the meditation. I felt it was there, but it didn't get me out of the meditation. I just kept feeling peace.
That's really good. That's deeper. That's very deeper. Once we have that awareness, how are you, Vaibhav? In fact, we spent more time today. Stephen and Harry said, "Oh, it went so quick." How are
So
you,
it was
Vaibhav?
So it was very peaceful. It's like that I always have a choice with me to go with my mind or I can stay back. So if I choose to stay back, then I'm always at peace.
I like this. I like this statement. You guys do not understand. I use your statement in other sessions. I'm learning from you. So when I stay back, it means I'm aware. That awareness is knowledge. That knowledge is experience. So why I stay back? Because the mind wants to move in another direction. That is what David also explained in a different way. So that is how we recognize this subtle body. How are you? Do you have subtle body, Ashok?
Yes, sir. Uh, good, good and peaceful.
Good and peaceful, yes. Your subtle body actually from inside expressed through the physical body. Can we
Yes.
see that? You see that? My smile, my expression. So it appears as if my physical eye outside is looking, but no, subtle body. Even that understanding can take you deeper. How are you, Sangeeta?
सर बहुत अच्छा था सर, बहुत पीसफुल था। और सर वही होता है कि विचार आते हैं और मुझे समझ में आ जाता है, और मतलब वही स्टे बैक वाली बात है कि
Yeah,
बहुत अच्छा था।
thought comes, she recognizes, and then she stays back. It's a wonderful. How are you, Anesthesia?
Thank you. I'm fine. It was very deep, and I'm like a cake now. I see different layers. Like this is my body, this is my mind, this is my settled body. When I see images, I understand that its mind is working. I have started to seeing an eye inside my heart. It's like an almond converting to eye, then to a flower, and I understand, but then I don't pay attention, and I try to stay in this merged state, like everything is combined. And the interesting thing happened to me because when I merged with the space, I've heard a sound recently, seemed to an air siren. You know, now we have several sirens during the day or even night, and we go downstairs. And I felt a fear, but I didn't feel my body because I was deeply in meditation. I felt like a straight line here, like my face and lungs and heart and stomach, and I felt very strong fear, and then it disappeared. It was like a second, and I understood that it was on my subtle body, because actually my physical body I didn't. And I understood that all attachments are happened with our subtle body. So
Beautiful. That is beautiful. Many points. Attachment, detachment, fears, anxiety first takes place in the subtle body. Then it is expressed outside.
Yeah.
And the secret I gave you, I believe you all understood what Yuji meant when he said, consciousness going through the mind, I see the noise of the fan at one place and I see the movement at the other place. Can we live into that awareness and then challenge your mind? Be angry, be attached, be scared. Bring all the negative emotions and put them, just be there. Thanks to our great masters. that is all for today. And we'll meet again. Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste.
Har Sangeeta